Good morning, students. Numerical number 8. Which of the following quantities having three significant figures? Numerical number 8. Which of the following quantities have three significant figures? A part 3.0066 meters. We have to find number of significant figure. For this, we change this value into scientific notation. Point must be placed after first digit. The point already placed after first digit. So we can write it as 6.0066 into 10 raised to power 0. Count the number of digits in this value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So significant figure is equal to 5. In B part, 0.00309 kg. Convert this value into scientific notation. So we can write it as point must be placed after first digit, and first digit is 3. 3.09 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg. Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3. So significant figures is equal to 3. C part. 5.05 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. Change this question also into scientific notation. It is already converted into scientific notation. Point placed after first digit. Count the number of digits in this question. 1, 2, 3. Its significant figure is also 3. Last, D, 301.0 second. Convert this question into scientific notation. Point must be placed after first digit. 3.010 into 10 raised to power 2. Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So its significant figure is equal to 4. Now read the statement. Which of the following quantities having three significant figure? So we easily answer the above statement. Here significant figure 5. In B part significant figure 3. So in B part we having 3 significant figure. In C part we having 3 significant figure. And in D part we having 4 significant figure. So our answer is B and C having 3 significant figure. Answer. Okay, students. Next, question number 9. Question number 9. What are the significant figures in the following measurements? Same questions, A, B, C, D parts. We have to find significant figures. Question number 9. What are the significant figures in the following measurements? A, 1.009 meter. We change into scientific notation. Point must be placed after first digit. It is already after first digit. 1.009 into 10 raised to power 0 meter. Now count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. So its significant figure is equal to 4. B part. 0.00450 kg. Also change this question into scientific notation. Point must be placed after first digit, and first digit is 4. 4.50 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Count the number of digits 1, 2, 3. So its significant figure is equal to 3. Question number C. 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. It is already in scientific notation. Point already placed after first digit and some power of 10. Count number of digits 1, 2, 3. So its significant figures is equal to 3. Last, D. 2001 second. Convert this question into scientific notation. 2.001 into 10 raised to power 3. Count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4. So its significant figure is equal to 4. Okay, students. Now last question number 10, numerical number 10. Numerical number 10. A chocolate wrapper is 6.7 centimeter long and 5.4 centimeter wide. Calculate its area up to reasonable number of significant figure. First of all, we write down data. Length is equal to 6.7 centimeter. Width is equal to 5.4 centimeter. Now we have to find area. So area is equal to question mark. Using formula, area is equal to length into width. Putting value of length and width, (6.7) into 5.4. We may use calculator to find its value. 6.7 into 5.4 equal to 36.18. 36.18 centimeter square. Now convert this value into reasonable number of significant figures. So we can also write it as 36 centimeter square. Answer. Okay students, now numericals of first chapter are completed. Okay.